After testing Wacom's Movink 13 and the 2019 Cintiq 16, I wasn't quite feeling like I had found the right creative pen display. But this one might just be the one I'm looking for. Not too small, not too big, not too pixelated, and reasonably priced. Hello, my name is Brandon, and I'm on a quest to find the perfect screen display drawing tablet for my Mac. And today, I'm diving into the shiny new Wacom Cintiq 24 Touch 2025, just released a few months ago. It's a $14.99 beast that's got me both starry-eyed and wallet-weary. Is this new creative pen display your dream canvas or just another mediocre attempt at greatness? Hit that subscribe button, grab a coffee, and let's see if this Cintiq checks all the boxes. Oh, by the way, this is not a sponsored video. Wacom did not provide me with this tablet. The new Wacom Cintiq 24 Touch is a creative pen and touch display that gives you a gloriously big 23.8 IPS WQHD display at 2560 by 1440 resolution for anyone who likes their pixels crisp and their acronyms fancy. It ships with the new Pro Pen 3 and a solid pre-attached adjustable stand, which is surprisingly easy to adjust. Thank you, Wacom, that thing is awesome. Weighing in at just under 6 kilograms, a little over 13 pounds, and only 21 millimeters thick, it's slimmer than expected and sleek enough to ace a stealth mission in art school. Hooking it up to my Mac was a breeze, just one USB-C cable. If you've got Thunderbolt 3 or DisplayPort Alt Mode, you're golden. If not, congrats, it's time for a mini HDMI cable treasure hunt. Compared to that old 1080p Cintiq 16 that I did last video, this 2.5K screen feels like upgrading from a flip phone to a sci-fi hologram. It's a big screen, it has multi-touch, the Pro Pen 3, a clean design, and Wacom's legendary reliability. It's a serious contender, but the question is this the upgrade we've all been waiting for? The drawing experience is where this display really shines. The anti-glare etched glass feels amazing. It's like drawing on a premium sketchbook with near zero parallax, so your cursor's right where you want it. The 2.5K display with 100% sRGB pops like a Pixar film, leaving the old Cintiq 16's Vaseline vision in the dust. And the multi-touch, zooming and panning with my fingers feels like conducting an art orchestra. The Pro Pen 3 with over 8,000 pressure levels, tilt sensitivity, and 3 buttons that yes, you will accidentally press them a dozen times until you finally learn how to hold it just right. And once you do, those customizable buttons make shortcuts snappier than that one barista who drinks too many espressos. But unfortunately, it's not the fully loaded, customizable version with a balance insert and flared grip. It still feels kinda like a free hotel pen from the 1990s, and yeah, I'm old enough to remember those. It comes with a 16 to 69 degree adjustable stand, way sturdier than the Cintiq 16's fold-out legs, and it's VESA compatible for desk arms. The stand is super simple to adjust, with an easy-to-pull mechanism. The fanless design keeps it whisper quiet. The thing's so quiet I had to check a few times to see that it was actually on. And it didn't have any noticeable hotspots. Just like any other Wacom screen display or tablet, it comes with free software trials that sweeten the deal. And if you're running Photoshop, Blender, Toon Boom, Moho, or Rebel, this is a spacious pro-grade canvas, which is so nice. The touch controls and on-screen express keys work flawlessly, but some gestures are a bit finicky. It's responsive, but not buttery like an iPad. Definitely helpful when you want to stay in the zone, but I think a toolbox or a Wacom Express key remote is an absolute must. Color accuracy is rock solid with 100% sRGB and 8-bit depth. Your magentas probably won't morph into mysterious purples across other devices. But here's where it almost loses me. The 2.5K resolution is good, but not mind-blowing. After using Retina displays and OLEDs and other 4K displays, this pixel nerd noticed the soft edges, especially when working in apps with tiny UI icons. It's nothing like the previous gen Cintiq 16 from 2019, and I think it looks way better than the Movink 13. But I still feel like I'm trying to read fine print without my glasses. Technically legible, but oof, man, I am so spoiled by my 4K BenQ display and my iPad Pro. Okay, here's what I love, the pros and cons. What I loved is the size. It's like getting your desk back after working on a dinner plate. A beautiful screen and great full colors. That textured glass and drawing experience is so good. And the included stand? Seriously, thank you, Wacom. That stand is really nice. The Pro Pen 3 is awesome, especially with an added grip and weighted insert. It only needs one cable and one power supply. It's easy to move and reposition. Did I mention the size? Oh, it's so much room to breathe, so much room to move around. Man, I think I really like this one. Now, I guess if I have to pick something I don't like about this, I really like everything about this, except for probably one thing, and that's just because I'm really picky. I'd have to say the fine print UI sharpness. Especially if you compare it to a 4K display or the iPad Pro, you suddenly feel betrayed. Now, knowing that Wacom makes a 4K Pro version, I gotta try one of those. So what do you think? Is the Cintiq 24 Touch worth $14.99? I think so, especially if you're a digital painter, illustrator, or animator needing a large touch-enabled canvas for Photoshop, ZBrush, or any other software. This is a dream. Its 23.8-inch 2.5K screen and multi-touch make it perfect for studio workflows or dual-screen setups. Now, if you're on a budget, you might prefer the Cintiq 16 that they just released alongside with this 24 Touch and the 24 non-touch. I also noticed that the Cintiq Pro 24 from years past is now on sale for $18.99. Now that sounds like it might be a good deal, worth trying. Okay, my final verdict. I gotta say, this is a beautifully balanced, color-accurate, non-distracting machine. And if it looks like everything you've been waiting for, I would venture to say you will be happy with this tool. But for me, I found myself missing those tack-sharp menus and pixel-level UI. This one is so close, but not quite there. Now for the price, you're getting a genuine Wacom Creative Pen Display Drawing Tablet, a Pro Pen 3, a big screen, and a great stand all in one box. Now that's hard to beat. Let me know in the comments below, would you go for this one or hold out for the Pro series? Would you spend a little more for the Cintiq Pro 24 currently on sale? Or maybe go for the Pro 17 just to have that 4K resolution? And maybe sacrifice the screen size. What would you do? Let me know. And hey, if this video helped you with your quest, don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe light a candle for my bank account. Because in my next video, I'm gonna try the Cintiq Pro 17. It's sharper, it's faster, but it's smaller? Oh, I don't know. I've heard good things about that Pro 17. They say it's pretty spectacular. Well, that's gonna be all for this one. This is Brandon at Artismia. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.